In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate, sing and dance using the Scratch website. To formally start our tutorial, type Scratch on the search engine, then click the site. If you're just a beginner to the site, you must have an account first before you can proceed working. In here you have to fill out the necessary info. Your name and password, then connect it to your Google account, and then proceed to the following details. Lastly, you have to confirm your account using the confirmation code that was sent to your email before starting to use the site. So let's just say that we have already an account. To start a new project, click Create button on the home page, then wait as it loads your workplace. Remember that in making animation there are three parts to remember: making the sprites move, your backdrop, and the sound that will be used. Every new project starts with the cat sprite as a default. A sprite is a character or object that will be used in making the computer program. Now let's remove the cat sprite and add a new sprite that best suits the animation for singing. To make it more animated, your sprite must have multiple costumes. I will select Abby sprite, which has 4 costumes. Let's choose our backdrop from the library. Select concert to make our project more realistic. After, let's adjust the size of our sprite so that it fits to our backdrop. For the code of the backdrop, the first step in creating every project is always when green flag clicked block, which is found under the event category. This block will start our code, and after, add blocks for the animation. Then, add forever block, which can be found in the control category so that the song can go forever. Add play sound under the sound category. Choose from the library that best suits the song to your sprite. In coding the sprite, add when the green flag clicked, and beside, add the forever block. Inside the forever block, add these blocks to make our sprite move and look more animated. Add next costume that will make your sprite singing, then add wait block, and lastly add move block under the motion category. Adjust the number according to your animation. Let's add another block under the event category, which is the when space key pressed, and select sound to make the concert lively by the cheer of the crowd. Notice the position of the blocks. Let's click the green flag to see if it works. Change file name and save, then click See Project Page button. Since some of the blocks that will be used in here are almost the same with the animation in singing, so there's no need to elaborate more. I will select Champ 99 sprite, which has multiple costumes, and delete the default sprite. Let's work on the backdrop. Click the miniature paint on the bottom right of the screen. Add circles that serve as the colorful lights and rectangles for the bricks on the bottom in various colors. After, right-click the backdrop and select Duplicate, then change the colors of the shapes or objects used in the first backdrop. Adjust the size of the sprite in the backdrop that was made. In coding, add when green flag clicked block to start the code. So, for the animation of our sprite, add next costume under the looks category that will make your sprite dancing. Your sprite can go dancing forever by adding forever block under the control category. You can also control the speed of your sprite by adding wait block found in the control category and change the number. Notice the position of the blocks. To animate our backdrop, add next backdrop block under the looks category and these other blocks to make the backdrop appear that looks like the dance floor. After that, let's add sound to our project. Add when the green flag clicked and play sound block under the sound category, then choose a sound on the sound header. Now, let's choose from the sound library. Select Dance Celebrate on the drop-down menu of the block. Since our animation is now finished, let's test our codes by clicking the green flag. File name and save, then click the project page button.
Hey!